That's pretty good for the trunk. Wind. That's windy.
For 210s.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Hello. JacobViral. Nice to meet you, man. Oh, all right. Can we chat real quick? Windows up? Okay. It's a little quieter. Windows up. So, what's your name and what's in here?
I'm Colin. I got two XV210s on a DS18 Hooligan 10K, 160 amp hour of headway, and a JS320. Box is tuned to like 27.
Nice. What about the speakers?
Those are CT Neo 8s, and then the 6.5s I think are the Mesos.
Fancy. You did this?
Yeah.
Wow, you got a lot of roof work.
Oh yeah, it's solid. Yeah, I did a 151 at 29 with these.
Below 30.
Yeah.
You like the lows?
Yeah. Yeah, she's pretty windy for what it is.
So you, how big is the box cubic wise?
3 cubes. Each chamber is 1.5.
Okay.
And it's 44 square inches of board.
How much did it help when you added these braces?
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah, I got a lot of bandwidth.
Did it help the lows too?
Yeah, I cracked the whole roof across the back on both sides, the welds.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's actually common with the low frequencies on a lot of cars. He's just not made for the base pressure flex.
For sure.
Yeah. Man, awesome. Looking forward to hearing it.
Yeah, man.
And you have your back seats, but your seat, so how does this work?
So I can still put the back seat in, but I actually rebuilt the box and I had to make it a little bigger, so I can't fold the seat all the way back and lock it in. But if I take that back brace out, I can put the seat in.
Okay.
That just happened today.
Yeah. So you had to tape it up?
Oh yeah.
Was that because of X-Max? Okay.
Oh,
But it's still playing fine.
Oh yeah, they moved.
All right. All right. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
That's pretty good for the trunk. Wind. That's windy.
For 210s.
Yeah, man. Windy.
I mean, I got one more for you. These are all my rebates.
That's the low. Your hair trick too. Like lows just.
Oh yeah. It's pretty.
Some people wouldn't even think it'd do 212s looking at it.
I get asked if they're 12s a lot.
Yeah. Their efficiency.
Yeah. Let me seal you up.
Okay.
You gotta calm down and really feel the soon. Calm up, gotta lose. To go long way and take it out of Houston to the metro. Still moment. I just pose like it I slow down and it's on the road. I stand up as it don't feel
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo. That's awesome. I'm gonna look at the back too, if that's all right.
Go ahead, do what you gotta do.
And under the hood too, if that's okay. So you demo with the trunk open?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's completely sealed off.
It is? Okay.
All the everything on the outside, everything's probably 25 cans of foam.
Whoa, wow. That's how you're getting louder too.
Oh yeah. I built the box in the trunk.
Well, I was gonna ask you that. Yeah, so it's deep.
I did it price. People don't know who they is, but bitches that like niggas and niggas that like hoes. It's for the moon, but the stars just shine. Trying to make $1 in a short now.